Hey, good afternoon. My name is Anthony Luce, and this is my final project for CS50. Um, I've taken the time to create a digital resume website that I've uploaded to my own domain name. Um, I'll take the time to go through it with you here today. So, as you can see here, I've created a single page website with a secondary link to a portfolio of different websites that I've created. This serves the purpose of being more than just my paper resume. It gives me an opportunity to showcase my skill set to potential employers or clients and really give me a way to separate myself from the rest of the field in a manner that is different and unique than what other people are doing. So what I've done is I've created a basic website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for interactivity, and added some buttons for a call to action to make it easy to get in contact with me. The site is also responsive and built for mobile devices as well to ensure the transition and ease of movement between mediums so that everyone can utilize and access the service. So first, I'll just start with these buttons. You can see by pressing the call button, it will call my phone, send a text message. You can also email me. It directly integrates into any email application, um, which you can easily use and reach out to me. I started off with a basic just introduction of who I am, where I'm from, to and the whole purpose of what this application is. But you can see here I've integrated multiple buttons, and each button is a drop down uh, handled by JavaScript and different event listeners to integrate the different boxes here. And this one, it just outlines who I am, my background, my education, my skill set, and what I'm looking to do. And then I broke it down into different processes here. You can see if you highlight over each button, it changes color, and then it'll also list out the different aspects of what's underneath one. So you can see here the different career path interests that I have. This one is partners in performance. We'll break down the different awards that I've received, some of the partnerships that I have um, in my community, as well as some of my community service activities that I do. I've taken the time to break down each one of my individual skill sets here. So in the nice little boxes with different areas. So like if somebody only wants to look at one thing or is focused on different areas, they can just click on one box and it'll lay it out for them. They can view it that way. I've also listed my different certifications here, some of the different courses that I've taken to improve my skill set, and then I've got my different work histories. And then with this one, I did it pretty cool. I like the fact that you could click on this, it'll show you, what I did, my description of my job, and then if you pull away, it'll hide out. So it's like a fly out menu. This was one of the more uh, fun aspects of this project was building this here because you can do it different ways. But same thing for each of the different job areas, and you can do the same stuff here. So very self-explanatory, very direct, but you can see it's directly linked into my domain name, which is my first name, last name. I've got the call, text, email buttons here. And then I got my social networks that if you hover, it pops out a little bit. It looks pretty cool. But you can do it that way. And it links to my business website here at the bottom as well. But go straight to the portfolio page. I've made it laid out in a grid CSS format. A couple different things here. So some other things that I've built, for example, is this carousel. It's for a tattoo partner of mine. But you can scroll through. I built this from scratch. Um, I built this drop down menu from scratch, so like these are just cool other aspects and stuff that I wanted to include in this project. So to show my proficiency, built this drop down FAQ, So a couple different aspects on this website, different things that I've created. Links to multiple different websites that I've built. Here's another single page application that I built. You hover over that, you get to the portfolio. It's just cool stuff that I've tried to integrate um, into this, and I think it's a good showcase of my work and the things that I've learned from this class to be able to put forth and share with all. So thank you for your time. I appreciate the opportunity to showcase this information, and